Now we are having solutions of the system of linear inequations. We are having two equations simultaneously. We have to draw a graph on a single sheet for these two equations. Okay. So how to proceed it now? X plus 2y is less than is equal to 8. Let this be equation number 1. Okay. Now let x plus 2y is equal to 8. Now we have to find the points for this one. Need not to write it whatever you have done in class 10th. Let x is equal to this, then y is equal to, no. You can directly write the points. Okay. No marks will be deducted for all these things. Now directly we can write it x and y here. Is it clear? So when y is 0, x is 8. When x is 0, y is 4. Okay. Now second equation is 2x plus y is greater than is equal to 6. Let this be equation 2. Now let converting the inequation into equation. Okay. Now for this we are having x and y. Now when y is equal to 0, x is 3, and when x is 0, y is 6. Now these are the points which we have to plot it on the graph sheet. Okay. So let's plot it. Now we are having first equation is x 8 comma 0. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is one point, and another point is 0 comma 4. 1 2 3 4. So this is the another point. Okay. Let's join this one, and remember inequality is for greater than is equal to and less than is equal to. So we are using a bold line for this one. Okay. And what we have to write? We have to write the original equation on the line. Okay. So original equation is x plus 2y is less than is equal to 8. Okay. Second is now this one is 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 falls here, and 0 comma 6 4 5 6 0 comma 6 is here. So let's draw this with another ink. Okay. Now again it is inequality is here, greater than is equal to, so line will be bold. Okay. So let's write the equation 2x plus y. No. 2x plus y is greater than is equal to 6. So we have plotted the lines. Now for the checking the shaded part. Now checking for required shaded region. Okay, why I have not written this part here? Either you can do on the rough or on the fair sheet also. Okay. Now putting 0 comma 0 in equation 1. 0 comma 0 in equation 1. So 0 is less than is equal to 8 does not satisfies. Sorry, 0 is less than 8, it satisfies. Now which is the first equation? First equation we are having for x plus 2y is less than is equal to 8. So in the blue it is the first equation and this will be shading towards the origin. Okay. So remember one thing, just put a line here where you have to shade it. Don't start shading in the beginning. Okay. For the second part, no. Putting 0, 0 in equation 2. Now 0 is greater than is equal to 6. Does not satisfies. Okay. So shading will be where now? Now shading will be away from the origin, from that particular line. Okay. So this is the line. So our shading will be now towards this side. Is it clear? Now what is the required area? Now for this part, now it is the common one. Which is the common one? So our shading part will be this one. One for that particular line. Is it clear? Now only this part is the shaded one. Now one thing more I just want to tell you. Now this is entirely a rough work. Okay, I am just showing you. Now this was our graph. Okay, now one line was at 4 and 8. We have drawn like this. Another line is like this. From passing from 6, it was like, suppose it is like this. Now I told you shading for the line in blue was downwards. So you can shade like this. Like this. We can go like this. Then shading for the second line was towards this side. You can shade like this. Like this. Now check which is the common area. If you are shading like this, no problem. Check the common area. Which is the common area? This is the common area. You can just look at this part. This is the common area. Same thing I have done there. So this sometimes it looks very messy when we are having more than 2 equations, and this looks very neat and clean. Okay. So I recommend you to go like this, and as you wish you can move like this also. Okay. Hence the required shaded area from the lines, because lines are bold, okay, from the lines is the solution set. Answer. This is the answer.